Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. In a major development, the ED today initiated an extensive crackdown across multiple states in connection with a 2,700 crore rupee money laundering case linked to an alleged real estate fraud involving the Red Nexa Evergreen scheme. The operation was carried out under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and involved searches at around 24 locations spanning Delhi, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Now, according to sources within the agency, the investigation pertains to a massive financial scam in which hundreds of investors were reportedly cheated under the guise of a high-return real estate investment plan. The scheme promised lucrative returns, offering either premium plots, flats or substantial profits after a fixed tenure, thereby attracting a large number of unsuspected investors. In Rajasthan, ED team conducts the simultaneous raids in Jaipur, Jodhpur, Sikar and Junjuni, while parallel operations were also underway in Ahmedabad, Gujarat and various parts of Delhi. The raids have focused on identifying financial irregularities, seizing incriminating evidence and tracing the flow of illegal funds to the masterminds behind the operation. Initial investigations suggest that the Red Nexa Evergreen project was a fraudulent real estate scheme which gained traction by luring individuals with false assurance of property allocation and financial gains. Investors were reportedly asked to keep their money invested for a specific duration, after which they were promised residential units or high-value land. However, these promises remained unfulfilled, and as the suspicion grew, numerous first information reports (FIRs) were lodged by inquisitive investors, especially in Rajasthan. Until recently, the matter was primarily under the review of Rajasthan Police, which has already registered multiple FIRs against these suspects. However, with the ED stepping in, the scope of the investigation has significantly widened. Agency officials stated that the move aims to uncover the deeper financial network involved in laundering the illicit proceeds generated through the illegal scam. Officials have confirmed that the raids are being conducted with a focus on unearthing money laundering activities, gathering documents, digital records and other assets linked to fraudulent transactions. Once the search operation concludes, legal action will follow against individuals and entities found to be complicit in the scam. Sources within the ED hinted that with the agency's involvement, new revelations are likely to emerge, shedding light on the extent of the fraud and identifying key beneficiaries who profited at the cost of fraudulent investors. Now, the enforcement action is ongoing and further updates are expected as the investigation progresses. That's all for now on this major update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.